Hi everyone, today is Monday, December 21st. Today we are going to start your banned book research, which is the last unit of this semester. So this project that we will be working on for the rest of the semester, this is going to be your final for English 9. So the first thing that you need to do is go through and look through your research assignment, read through that, and then your job is to pick which topic you would like to research for this unit. You can let me know which topic or which book you're going to choose for your research by clicking on whichever hour you're in and filling out the choice form so that I can see what everybody is doing. So go through, read the research unit assignment, look through the rubric so that you can see what you're going to be graded on for this assignment, and then tomorrow we're going to go through some research tips and rules. If you have questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.